Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, back in the kitchen again. Guys, I'm here making Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Guys, if you want to see this video, come along and enjoy. Yes guys, this is my sweet potato. Here I have 2 pounds of sweet potato. Here I have a pound of yellow yam. And here I have 1 small dry coconut. So what I'm going to do now is to just cut up my potato. And what I'm going to do, I'm not going to blend it. I'm going to grate all of this. Okay guys? My yellow yam, guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna grate my sweet potato first. But this is what I get from the sweet potato, the 2 pounds of sweet potato. This was a workout, guys. Yes, so this is what I get. So what I'm gonna do now is to just just gonna grate my yellow yam. Just gonna grate it in the same bowl. I'm gonna grate 2 the coconut. I just want the trash in the sweet potato. So I'm just gonna grate it in this too, in the same bowl. Yes guys, this is how it looks. And I put everything in there, the yam, the coconut trash, and the sweet potato. I'm just gonna mix up all of this, combine this together now. I'm just gonna put this aside. Here I have my 1 can of coconut milk, and what I'm gonna do with this coconut milk is to put it in my bowl here. Up in there, just mixing out the coconut milk. Less than a minute. Just gonna put this aside. What I'm gonna do now is to add some vanilla to my coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. This is just ½ teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna put ½ teaspoon of baking powder. Just make sure everything mix out. Yeah. What I'm gonna add to my coconut milk, I'm just gonna add 1 cup of sugar. If you want, you can actually use 2 cups, but even ½ cup you can use. So, but I'm actually gonna use 1 cup of sugar, and this is dark sugar. I think this is a good mixture. This can mix it out really good. So I think, you know, it would be good if you have 1 to mix out your wet ingredients, okay? And you can actually taste it, give it a taste. Don't be afraid to taste. Guys, here I have ½ cup of cornmeal, and this is a refined cornmeal. Just gonna put it in my potato. And combine it. And while you're doing this, you can just start preheat your oven. I'm gonna let this sweet potato bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. So you definitely can start preheat your oven at this time. That's when you finish your oven well hot. Okay? Okay, you don't want to put your cake or your pudding in the oven when it's not hot. Okay, as you go on, you just want to start preheat your oven until. Okay guys, yes guys, here I have my 2 cups of flour, 2 cups of flour. Just gonna put my flour in my potato also. So what I'm gonna do now, and what I'm gonna do now is to add my wet ingredients. Not gonna add all of it at once. Just gonna add a little. And this is a workout, guys. You want to mix it all properly. You want to make sure no flour no inside the potato. Just gonna add some more. Add some raisin. My oven is ready. Oh, this is an exercise, guys. Wow. So, yeah. Just gonna add some raisin. Some soaked raisin. Just gonna add all of this now. Never mind, mix it up enough because this is definitely an exercise. Actually a sweat. Okay. Ooh, that looks tasty. That one good. Let's add some more raisin to it, okay? You hear me blow? Come here, exercise. Yes. That's about my pan, okay? On the sides. So, yeah. And now I'm just putting my potato in my baking tin. One potato pudding. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna put it in the oven now. I'm gonna let this bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. Yes, guys, this is my sweet potato pudding after 1 hour. What I have here so is some coconut milk. What I'm gonna do with this coconut milk, a tablespoon of dark sugar. That's gonna add it to my coconut milk. That's gonna give it a mix. What I'm gonna do with this mixture, just gonna put it over my potato pudding. Just gonna let this finish bake for the next 20 minutes of Jamaican sweet potato pudding. So just gonna put it back in for the next 20 minutes. Yes guys, this is the next day. I just take it out of the oven yesterday and I just said, okay, I'm just gonna leave it to feel just cool. And this is the next day, and this is the morning of the next day. So guys, this is how my sweet potato look after I let it bake for 1 hour and 20 minutes. When it reached 1 hour, I put some coconut milk and some sugar mixed together, and then I throw on the top and I put it back in the oven for the next 20 minutes. And this is the after look of my Jamaican sweet potato pudding. What I'm gonna do now guys is to just shake it out and just show you how inside look. Okay, I shake it out now, and this one it have a little opener at the side, so I'm just gonna take it up. Yeah, this is our outside look. This is how my sweet potato look outside. Okay, I take up the pan from underneath. Okay, you see that? Just gonna put it on back on it. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna cut it. And this is how it look. You see it look? Yeah, see? You can see the coconut, trust me, and the raisin. Yeah, this is what I was expected of my Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Yes guys, this is the finished look of my Jamaican sweet potato pudding. Be a part of Crave Army Wife TV. Just subscribe and share and comment, and just touch the notification bell and put it on all. That's when I post video, you definitely will see every video when I post. But if you not touch the bell and touch all notification, you know, go see, and no one then you go see the video them. You understand? So if you want to follow Crave Army Wife, that's when I post every video, you can see them. You have to touch the bell. Okay guys? Because you know, I really want to know if you come and support me. You know, want to grow my channel. You know, want to grow it the right way. And if you don't have no recipe, you know want me do, just tell me all about it in the comment box, right? And I will definitely go ahead and do it at the right time. So guys, big up on yourself and thank you for watching. Bless you all. Seas the greetings. Bye.